Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys iqoo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to delete face lock data on iqoo mobile. Friends, you have face lock and friends you don't want to use on your iqoo mobile. Friends, how to delete face lock data. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, unlock your phone. After unlock your phone friends, click on iqoo phone setting. After on phone setting, friends, you can see this type interface on your iqoo mobile. Friends, click on iqoo mobile security setting. Then friends, click on screen lock. Friends, you want to change your screen lock, so draw your pattern. You can change and you can remove. And friends, if you remove your screen lock password, so a automatic face lock will delete on your device permanently. So friends, you want to delete only your face lock and you don't want to use your screen lock. So friends, click on face, draw your pattern, enter your password, and once you can see use face force setting. If you off guys your face lock unlock setting, so friends face lock will delete, but guys face lock will not show on lock screen. You have face lock, but guys you cannot unlock your phone after show your face. Friends, draw your pattern, you can unlock your phone. So friends, you want to delete permanently, so friends draw your pattern, click here, clear physical data and delete. After delete friends, you can see we cannot use face lock setting. If we use, so then we will have to show face again on our device. So like that friends, you can set face lock again. You want to set, so click here start option and you can set. So like that friends, we can delete face lock on iqoo mobile. After delete friends, you want to use fingerprint lock, draw your device pattern and you can use your fingerprint lock setting on your iqoo phone iqoo mobile. So bye bye friends, thanks for watching.